So, as I was contemplating the ways of the world,
Thought you were taking a poop. What choice do you got? We need a drone. We need spy drones.
yeah,
We need spy satellites.
we need something. These birds ain't digging on us.
They're very uncooperative.
I think all the birds got sucked off.
Oh, yeah. That happens. It's the time of year.
You know, I really didn't want to say this, but our current state of political affairs has made it difficult to run a gun at $4.40 a gallon of gas. Yeah, you don't want to do much driving around, you know. It's going to cost you $100 to fill up your pickup truck. You know, I got to go home, $100 to go home, $100 is $200 just to come up here to turkey hunt, and then you get up here and you got another $100 in gas running gunning. You know, now you're talking $300-400. We might as well just pay for a guided turkey hunt.
Yeah. Yeah. I actually saw, I've got one on my page on Facebook, but I'm sure those guys got nothing. It's all they're doing is private land fields.
Yep. And you know, we normally don't get overly political on our show, but I'll tell you what, people, $4.40 a gallon for gas is ridiculous. You know, when is it going to stop? Stop the madness. Stop the madness.
It's my fault. I don't know what came over me. I artificially inflated a barrel of gas to $100 a barrel or whatever it is. I don't know.
You know, people can say what they want, but I can tell you one thing. I think poor leadership in this country always leads to high gas prices, historically. At least at my age. Go figure that one out.
I can hear him now. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
It was the other guy that did it. It's
all his fault. Yeah, whatever.
It's his fault, and it's the capitalists' fault.
That's our political stint. You know, they're just hammering this country with nonsense, insanity,
madness. Heel finger.
We're going to give you guys a, what do they call this? The definitions page. So a Jake is a 1 to 2 inch beard. That's a Jake. Now we have the 4 and 5 inchers that are not, I mean, they're kind of Toms, but we're going to call them Johns. So we're really going to confuse you. So 1 to 2 inch is a Jake. And then we won't even count a 3 inch. 4 to 5 inch is a John. And then Toms are anything over 5 inches.
If he trips on it when he's walking, then we call him Granddad.
Granddad.
Yeah.
But,
if he keeps tripping on his own beard.
We have not seen any Granddads. We've seen a bunch of Johns, which has got me to thinking that the Jakes and the Johns are they're sissies. So they hang around with the hens all day long. It's like a submissive male. He just follows his female around wherever she goes, does whatever he does, whatever she wants to do. And
like a married guy.
I wouldn't say that. There's some of us that still have a little bit of alpha male still in us. But you get the point, you know? And that's what I think we got dealing with. Is that we're dealing with we haven't found any Granddad Toms out here. It's all these Jakes and Johns, and I just think that they, even when the hens are sitting on the nest, they're like, honey, I'm going to go sit over here, okay? Tell me when you're done.
When you're off the nest.
Yeah, then I'll follow you around some more.
Get some more to eat. Then we'll go to
sleep. They won't call because their old lady's like, psh, Shut it.
Ooh, told you.
Shut it.
Sorry, honey. Don't be looking at that other girl. Don't be responding to that trollop.
Yes.
Thought. I know what that means now.
If you're going to be sitting with me, you're going to shut it, and you're not going to be looking at other women.
Eyes front, buddy.
Yeah, that's what we're dealing with, I think.
Get out of the damn road! Get you! What did I tell you, kids? Quit playing in the street. Now you go on and get, yeah? Go find your mother. Go home.
Told you to stay out of the road. He died. 1 Adam 12, 1 Adam 12. We've got a report of a dirt dangler. He'll be at the corner of this road and that road. Please respond.
Got his dongle out.
Dun, 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 bah, bah, beep. Emergency 51, emergency 51. Respond with 1 Adam 12 for a dirt dangler at the intersection of Route 12 and County Road 650.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. I don't know how this goes.
That's where we're going. 1 Adam 12, emergency 51. Busting down the road.
Roll out.
Going to find dirt dangler. Middle of the afternoon.
Grandpa
out there.
His dongle out.
Exposing his dangler to everybody. Dragging it on the ground. Teabagging it. I wonder if other people know what teabagging
Right
is.
on the side of the road.
It's a jailhouse term.
Which one?
Teabagging.
Pee-pee?
Nah, forget it. Forget it. Alright, here we go. We got a phone call and we go. I feel like I'm back with the pager going off. Got a lift assist. Got a difficulty breather. Some chest pains and altered level of consciousness.
There's Tom right there.
Oh yeah. Yep, they're all over the place. They're everywhere. Everywhere but where we're at. Here we are. 1 Adam 12. Flying down the freeway. Wee-woo, 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 wee-woo. That's our wee-woos.
Oh.
You know what a wee-woo is? Wee-woo, wee-woo, wee-woo. That's a wee-woo.
All right. Some guy's helicoptering on the side of the road. Up here we got a hot tip.
Yeah. Maxing up now, you dog. Dog. What do you say, dog? Hey, hi there.
Dog. Check, check. 1, 2. He said it was right here. He said by the green sign.
Green sign. I don't see no turkey. What I'm 12, emergency 51. You could cancel on that call. That'll be a big UTL. Big UTL on that one. That's unable to locate. 10-4, show all units clear and returning. I just figured this out, dog. This turkey here, remember we talked about the cell phones, text messaging? He's like, listen, I'm gonna go over there and distract them. You guys on that field that you're going to, yeah, they're gonna be about 45 minutes.
I didn't know that this fucking water comes.
Hey!
Oh, you got that.
Ah, for the love of God.
Okay.
Can't take this kid anyways.
I didn't know that this water comes all the way over.
Yeah, it goes from here to all the way over there.
So
It's
the
a
only way
swampy
for them to
place.
get across is this little right there.
Well,
Either way down there or right over here.
yeah. Yeah. And that's a lot of terrain. I say go right up there and call and see if he even answers. Because if he's just wandering through the woods, what are the chances he's going to show up here? What do you think? Well, as a cameraman, I have been put in the most horrible position for videotaping. There's not a damn thing that I can do. There's not enough cover where we were at, so we got screwed. I'll see what I can do. Yeah, I thought that was a gobble coming from. I can't tell where they're coming from, but and I'm half deaf, so if I heard it, it had to be pretty solid.
You don't need enough to come over.
So where did that gobble come from? Same right over there. Oh wait a minute, there he is.
I see him right there.
Yep.
Oh, he's full strut.
Yep. Here he comes. That is, I can't tell.
If this comes in, even if it's a Jake, I'm probably going to shoot it. Because we're going to get some excellent footage.